Ladies and gentlemen, very good afternoon to all of you. I am Maslan Go bin Ahmad Go, Managing Director of NQ Cultural Commercial Centre Berhad. I am honored to be invited today to present our company project, Walk Around Malaysia 101, which in promoting Malaysia tourism industry. NQ Cultural Commercial Centre Berhad took a leap to link this diversified project surrounding the Malaysia and Chinese market. On top of promoting of Malaysia-Chinese trade exchange, expanding the financial cooperation, attracting Chinese companies to invest in Malaysia. NQCC also aimed to broaden the prospect of culture, education, tourism, and other sectors through this project. Among this project, the Walk Around Malaysia 101 reality show will definitely be a trendsetter of Malaysia tourism. From the unique perspective of NQCC, Walk Around Malaysia 101, based on the format of travel program that fit the Chinese audience liking. The program is anchored with the Chinese internet, movie stars who eat, drink, and travel in Malaysia. Through the interactive performance for the game, the program can convey the mass-up element of the beauty of Malaysia, cuisine, and the attractive tourist destination in Malaysia. The secret of multicultural magical kingdoms through the unique entertainment chart of the Star reality show, NQCC create a Malaysia tourism IP and establish national brand image of Malaysia, a vibrant Malaysia. Jack Paradise, charming Malaysia. The program enable the audience to have a deep understanding of Malaysian local culture, custom, landscape, feature, restaurant and hotel, medical and education, historical building and others. Therefore, the program will then be able to attract Chinese tourists to travel in Malaysia, stimulating the tourism boom in Malaysia and promoting the tourism economy in Malaysia. The program will be filmed around all over 13 states in Malaysia. A total of 101 episodes will be presented in various elements such as variety, entertainment, interaction, and fun. In addition, we also plan for a rich and more attractive way of products, brand placement in the Walk Around Malaysia 101 which an aim to attract more companies and brands in Malaysia to promote their products and services to Chinese tourists and worldwide through our show. We believe it will heighten the audience's purchasing power, drive the sales, and stimulate the local economy. The 8th episode of the first season of Walk Around Malaysia 101 reality show that was broadcast on the iQIYI platform in China since 7th of May this year. As of 12th July of this year, it has reached 30 million viewers in just around 2 months, which an average of more than 3.5 million viewers per episode. In first season, 8 popular artists from China have visited various tourist attractions in Malaysia, including Malacca, Negeri Sembilan, Kuala Lumpur, and others, which took them 9 days to complete the overall shooting. Walk Around Malaysia 101, deeply loved by Chinese audience and also been getting some good response, which directly will stimulate the upswing of Chinese tourists traveling to Malaysia and further increase the growth rate of Chinese tourism in Malaysia. It is especially during the COVID-19 period. The production of our Walk Around Malaysia 101 will not just create employment opportunity, stimulate domestic economy, and most importantly, to bring back the lot of inbound tourists from China to Malaysia. When the pandemic is over, it is helping to stimulate his economy development, create growth of various industry, and strengthen the development of tourism economy. Thank you very much.